Alrighty, what's going on today, y'all? So today I'm going to be talking to you about the American Accents Espresso Spray Paint. This is from a company called Rust-Oleum. They're pretty big in terms of lots of different spray painting products. I really have always trusted their stuff, especially when it comes to, I guess you could say, DIY, like house repair, house project type paints. This is something I would never really use for like spray paint art or anything, and I have different cans of spray paint that I use for art and things like that. They're a little, funkier, a little more colorful, have a little more pop. These are very, very natural, very organic, and that's kind of why I like them for what I use them for. So the reason that I actually purchased this one in particular with is because I wanted, I had some metal chairs that I had picked up from a yard sale, metal chairs and a little metal table, actually very, very similar to the ones that you can see on the picture. That's kind of what caught my eye with these. And they were white, and basically I just wanted to make them brown, put on our patio, and so we actually just moved, so we just got rid of them, but it's really, really nice, and that's why I originally got them. Basically, what makes this better compared to, or different, I guess you could say, compared to regular spray paint, is that it comes on in almost like a two-ply layer. Covers up very, very nicely. Leaves a very, very thick layer, and you can honestly barely tell that things are spray painted when you use this, because you don't get any of the blank spots. You don't get any of like the weird like smudging or kind of like shadowing around the edges. It's very, very thick and very dense, dark kind of spray. So it really looks like it was nicely and very accurately painted on there, The finish on this is made to be very, very durable. Again, we did these, we used this on outside furniture. I left it outside through rain and all, and heat, whatever. They're still looking, when we got rid of them, they were still looking as solid as the day that I had sprayed them. So if that kind of says anything, it's important to note that. The spray tip, as you can see, is made at a slight little angle. It's very, there we go, trying to focus on it. Very, very ergonomic, kind of, I don't know, just it feels better on your fingers, especially when you're spraying for long periods of time. Stuff like this takes a long time, so it's nice to have more of, I guess, like an ergonomic kind of spraying handle when you're using it. It's just a little more comfortable to use. Like I said, I've only ever used this on metal, though it says that it is good for a number of things here: wood, wicker, and more. I would assume like plaster and ceramic as well. It's just very, very versatile overall. You can really use it on a plethora of things if you like. And it's really, I think, best suited for furniture and bigger projects that really need just a full coat. Again, I wouldn't really use this as like a kind of like a one-time like art style kind of spray paint. It's really, really kind of best suited for this kind of stuff. What I do like about this, and just because I do have a pretty, I guess you could say, wide variety of spray paints and things in my garage, so it's always nice when these kinds of companies get very obvious as to what color it is and what it's for. Why I really want to point out here is the packaging and how they did it here. Basically, you have the espresso, this is pretty much exactly the color that comes out, this dark brown that's right here on top. And then you have the espresso labeled right here as well. It's this dark brown color, and then it's kind of showing you what it kind of does there. So it's really nice, especially when you're, kind of just wanting to expedite the process of painting. You're looking through your garage and trying to find the right thing of paint. This is where something like this kind of comes in handy, is that you can see it right away and you know exactly what you're grabbing. Yeah, if you're looking to maybe paint some chairs or something, or just paint some furniture in general, I'd highly recommend it. Again, this is the Rust-Oleum American Accents. It's a Satin espresso spray paint, and yeah, check it out. Get crafty. Alrighty, take it easy.